weird that their garage is so far away. Same with that one. Why are they so far away? That's fucking weird. If I have my garage, I'd want it to be attached or at least like close. Like not need to shovel a path in the winter, kind of close. I mean, granted, it'd be kind of cool to have like, you know, a nice backyard with the garage like that, so you can have like a fire and the garage open, so you can have like a little get together like that. It'd be pretty neat, not gonna lie, but just weird to me. Today's just gonna be a what I can see video, because I don't know how much battery I got left. I recorded a different video today, so this is just like finishing off the battery life. Maybe I'll go instigate some shit, I don't know. My mother already threatened me not to have anybody call her saying I'm being silly, so I didn't know in what sense, because we've been going through a lot right lately. So like, I don't know if silly she means like suicidal, or like he was doing mock Jesus in the fucking neighborhood, you know. Got my underglow on too, so that should help me be seen. Ever since nobody gave a shit in Grand Rapids, I've just been running it like a motherfucker. There's a machine shop just down here, and I swear to you, they never use coolant on their fucking cutters, because it always smells like burning clutch through here, and I always get so paranoid that I just like fucked up my bike or something, and it's never my bike. Which I'm glad for, but damn, use some fucking coolant on your cutters, please. This is like one of those weird serene, like rich neighborhoods that's also not really serene because of where it's at, but I don't care. I'll bring down the property value anywhere I go. So what's with all the little like knobs and shit in the road from tree branches? Weirdly high amount. I have an Insta360 X3 camera coming next week. Get ready for more content on that shit. Oh, look at that, a fucking 4-seater golf cart. I don't see a lot of those. Man, this is weird. Like, it's been an emotional roller coaster. I've been super fucking like dumpy lately. Then I got titty pics in my DMs, so I stopped being so dumpy. But I'm still feeling dumpy, so like it's a fucking roller coaster in my brain right now. I still gotta get dinner somewhere, something to drink. I got the oh, silver rail. Damn, why can't they ever go the same way as me? Fuck. I like playing around with shit. God damn. I finally have a bike that people like street race against a lot, surprisingly, like off camera even. But no, they don't fucking follow me. It's a base Honda Civic. That's not even like the person that would race. Fuck. I profiled the living shit out of cars because I know I've been around it enough to know that certain drivers are like, yeah, I got the S version. I don't drive it like I got the S version though. Like, ooh, I got the Acura RS, but I drive it like it's a fucking Pinto. BMW with the fucking center stand. Nice. It got bright and it got dark again. Oh my goodness. One of these days I'll put like a Brembo kit. Man, you have to fucking, it's a 4-way, you have the right of way. I get to go. Woo! It's a bunny! It's a fucking bunny, like it's a bunny. You can't even see it unless there's those little like pixels going jump, jump. That's a fucking bunny. Oh my god. Watch my camera be dead as fuck. And I'm just talking to myself. Hey, we're still going, hell yeah! I hope this is all fucking recording properly, fuck! So I'm really thinking about getting Subway. I've had like this unnatural, unhealthy addiction to Subway lately. Their chicken bacon ranch without the ranch on it and like a shit ton of that Baja Chipotle and sweet teriyaki. Oh! I also haven't put like roast beef and shit on it too, because it's like 12 bucks afterwards. I don't give a fuck. It's a lot of food. I'm a big guy. I hunger, and that's actually all I've been eating lately is that and Taco Bell. Because Taco Bell is like a 30-second walk from my like work spot, so you know they make bank off of us. I'm not even in a union, but us laborers, you know. That Subaru, if there's a wide body, or my eyes are wigging out. I don't know. Oh, I see. It's not even a Subaru. It's like a Chevy thing or something. It's just got a fucking dented rear fender. And that's why it looks like a wide body, because it's kicking the fender out far enough. Kill. It's weird how they call it glasses when you only have a pair on your face. Alright, I'm sitting still and it's getting cold. Hurry up, light. Please. I beg of you. I've been good. Oh, there we go. See, it took me saying I've been good to take it to a red. I appreciate it. You know, one of these days I might ask a cop if underglow is like illegal. I think it's illegal. I don't really give a shit. If they fucking pull up, I hit the switch. Oh no, my underglow is gone. Whatever will they do? Because like, as far as I'm concerned, as long as it's not flashing, I mean, it's red. It matches the bike, whatever. Oh my god, it smells like fucking baby wipes out here. What the hell? You know, I'm surprised my speedometer's working right now. So I still gotta get it fixed. Some people have told me just to clean off the sensor, but if I'm gonna be that deep in this bike, I'll just buy a new one and replace it. So I'd hate to like clean it and then have that not fix the issue and have to pull it back apart. It's only 9 o'clock, I don't give a shit. It's a Friday night, fuck 'em. Fuck! Yep, my nose is doing that thing where it gets pissed off and starts to like run, but also clog. And I don't get it. I hate it when it does that.